Hi, Beatrice Alfbern here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick YouTube tutorial on how to do anime hair. Not particularly how to color it and shade it, but how to set up the hair. So how the hair falls on the head, how to figure out how certain parts connect, and how certain things may affect the hair depending on what kind of scene your character is in. So real quick, I'm just going to show you guys a couple finished pieces I have, and I'm going to outline the sections of hair just to show you what it's like on a finished example. So here we got St. Louis from Azure Lane. It's important to notice that all of the hair goes in a certain direction. The bangs I'm outlining right now in the red and in the green, they all lead to where the part of her hair is. That's a really important thing to know when you're drawing hair. She's got a couple ponytails behind the bangs, and then she has a ponytail at the back of her head. The hair is all really tight all the way up to the ponytail, and I give the ponytail like a second layer just to give it some more depth. Here is Iron Mouse. She has kind of the same thing going on, where she has hair that collects at the side of her face that's longer than the bangs in the front of her face. She's a little different though, because her hair at the front, it is tucking behind the longer ones. But then, of course, since her hair is tied, the hair's tight all the way up to the pigtails again. And she's got more wild kind of ponytails going on. So not only do I have a basic ponytail shape, but I have all of these like little strands like going outside and inside just to show how wild it is. So here I'm going to do some basic hairstyles just to show you how these types of hair fall on a person's head. Here we're just doing a very typical feathery hairstyle. I have all these dotted lines just to show you that it's important to keep track of the chunks of hair, because when you get to the shading and lighting stage, it's important to know where all these pieces connect and everything to make it look proper. Here we have a hairstyle that has air vents, which is when the hair goes up before it goes down. Make sure the size of the air vents is correct with the size of the chunk of the hair. It's kind of hard to do, and it depends on what angle that they're pointing at. But here we're doing a very droopy hairstyle. Like if you have bangs that fall a lot, you'll have like an extra strand of hair just like hanging apart from the rest of the hair. And right here I'm doing a really short hairstyle. I put an X where the part is gonna be. But when you have super short hair, you have multiple layers that go all the way down the head. When you have longer hair, you don't have that so much, but with shorter hair, you have it especially. And here, I'm just doing a really like wavy kind of curvy kind of thing just to show you how that works. Normally, this is just anime, so you can have curves, drills pointing any which way. So no matter what angle your character is facing, as long as there's no wind or anything blowing their hair a different direction, make sure the hair is always pulled down by gravity. So if you want a floating character, like they're in space or something, don't make the hair go straight down like that because it'll look a little static. So if your character is floating, try to have different layers of the hair floating upwards at different heights. Or if the wind is blowing it, make sure that it's all blowing the right way. But that doesn't mean that all of the hair is just going to be sticking left. The wind blows the different layers of hair, so it'll make it a bit more wavy and it'll whip the hair around. So do your best to think of the direction the wind is blowing and how hard the wind is blowing to figure out how wild or how calm you want the flow of the hair to be. I hope this tutorial has helped you in some way. I'm going to do a future tutorial on how to color and shade the hair. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, or hit me up on Twitter or join my Discord. I also stream sometimes, so maybe I can answer you live. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Love you.